This is just a quick overview of the KitPal Chrome extension. To activate the extension, you can use the keyboard shortcut. From there, you can paste in your logos. You can copy them. The primary logo can also be copied via a keyboard shortcut. You can also do the same with colors. So you can just hover over on color. It's very straightforward. You can store multiple brands. To add new brands, you just click the plus here. You can store up to 5 brands maximum. You can store up to 5 colors per brand and 2 logos per brand. Thanks for checking it out.